Hey everyone, this is Matt with Summit Racing, and we'd all like to be together at Super Summit this year, like we have been, for many years prior to this one. But because of world events, we can't be. So what we've been trying to do is create a virtual Super Summit experience, and we're trying to bring the vendors to you as we have in the past in person in the manufacturer's Midway. And today, we have Eric from Powerstop to discuss a couple of their products. The first being the Z26 Street Warrior Performance Brake Kit, and the second being the Z36 Truck and Tow Performance Brake Kit. So I want to let him talk about the brand and talk about these products. And hey, thank you so much for being here. Please take it away.
Yeah, absolutely, Matt. Thanks for having us. We are really excited to be a part of this, even under the circumstances of right now. We've been partners with Summit for a little over 10 years, I believe. And that's right about when we started creating the brake kits like this. So, first, I'd just like to talk about the Z26 kit, the better known as the Street Warrior kit. This kit's really for your high-performance vehicles. It's going to be more for your Camaros, your Mustangs, Corvettes, Challengers, and imports as well. Anything that is driven spiritedly on the street and needs to stop on a dime. So the components that come with this are great. They are fully customizable. And, I'm going to start with the brake pads and go over a couple of the key features and benefits for it. So these are carbon fiber ceramic pads, and they come with stainless steel shims on the back. The stainless steel shims on the back are going to reduce the heat transfer, and so it's going to make sure that your brakes don't fade as quickly as regular brakes would. Then the rotors actually work in conjunction with the brakes. So the rotors are drilled and slotted and vented for cooling properties, as well as low dust. The pads are formulated to work with the rotors, and they're going to keep the dust down. So that's really important when you have an expensive car with nice wheels, or just a car that you want to keep clean in general. Now, the calipers themselves are an optional upgrade. So you can take the calipers you have on your car and upgrade to these red performance calipers. And what these are going to do is they're going to provide much better rust protection. Powder coat itself is perfect for preventing rust, and it's going to push away the salt and the grime, and they're really easy to clean as well. Then all of that works seamlessly with the stainless steel hardware. So when you're doing a brake job in the driveway, nothing's worse than having to try and clean off these old hardware pieces and try and get the new pads to fit in there, and you're taking sandpaper and everything like that. We have everything included all in one kit. And so you take your brand new pads, your brand new hardware, you put them into your brackets or into your calipers, and you're good to go. So I'm going to move on to the Z36 kit, which is behind me. So this is our truck and tow kit, and this is going to be more for your applications. This is specifically as a Jeep Wrangler, but this is for anything like F-150, Silverado, Wrangler, Toyota 4Runner. Your bigger SUVs and trucks that you're going to be hauling things with, you're going to be towing things with. If you live near mountainous driving, this kit is perfect for that. It's really the upgraded pad and the upgraded rotor. The formulation there is going to make sure that you can stop and that your brakes are not going to fade. Our heritage is performance, but we want to offer brake upgrades that are affordable no matter what you drive. So if you do drive performance, this is built for you. If you do not drive performance, this is still built for you because you want upgraded stopping power. Upgrade is basically the new standard. And so we do this at an affordable option no matter what car that you drive. And with a kit that's everything all included, we got the pads, the rotors, the calipers, the hardware. We even include the brake lube so that the brake job is an easy installation in your driveway. You have everything that you need in front of you to take the old brakes that are on your car and replace every single component with new.
Eric, is there a particular range from like a year, make, model standpoint that these are designed for specifically, or does it cover, for example, in like the Mustang Camaro world, what sort of year range will these brake kits fit in? Is it all of the above?
Yeah, we provide a great year range from early 2000s, even before, even into the later models. We have our coverage is across the board, and that's really our goal, is to provide 100% coverage, so that realistically, no matter what you are driving, we have brakes for you.
Yes, sir. Is there something that you're thinking about in the context of being a product expert and your product development team there? Are there things that you guys are specifically thinking about that go into the design of these, whether it is, as you described, spirited driving performance applications on on street vehicles. And then also, you know, with the off-road trucking, towing applications. What are the things specifically that you guys are thinking about that these kits bring to the table over stock? I mean, and I know it seems obvious in the context of stopping power and things like that, but I'm sort of interested in the product development aspect of that and what you guys are thinking about testing from like a material standpoint or a design standpoint.
Yeah, and you know, we do a lot of testing, and all of that testing is geared toward a better product. So what we want to do is we want to bring basically low dust is very important, but more importantly than low dust is stopping power. And that's really what we focus on. We want to make sure that all of these components are formulated and engineered to work together so that when you do have our rotors and our pads, you're going to have that great stopping power and that bite that you want for, you know, the people that really appreciate their car and they love what they drive.
If someone's interested in buying these products, is there anything else they would need to know in terms of maybe vehicle weight, that things they need to be thinking about, limits?
No, all of these products, you basically put in your year, make, and model. You can go on summit.com and you can search Powerstop and you can go year, make, model. You can see exactly what we have for you. And all of these products are designed to be a no modifications, exact replacement, exact upgrade, I should say, for the stock product that's on your car. So no matter what you do to your car, these brakes are going to be able to stop it.
Nice. From an installation standpoint, if anybody has replaced their brakes before, is it going to be a similar experience from a time standpoint?
I would say it's an easier experience. Like I said, if you're just slapping pads and rotors on your vehicle, you're not always getting the hardware that you need. And so you pull off the old brackets, pull off the old calipers, and everything is rusted and everything's corroded. This avoids that entirely. You have brand new pads, you have brand new hardware. You're pulling old stuff off and you're not reusing it. So that you put the new stuff on, put a little bit of the lube on there, and even if the pins are not sticking properly, you put a little bit of lube on the back and it sticks right to it, no problem at all. And then the pads themselves, they slide perfectly. And you know, these stainless steel shims and the pad, they're designed to work together so that there's no binding. All the calipers are made with brand new guide pins and they're all lubricated, 100% tested, so there's no worry in that at all. You know, you're going to have calipers that do not get binded up and that stay that way for a long time.
Yes, sir. Is there anything that I haven't asked you about that you think somebody who's looking for a performance brake kit needs to know about either product?
Yeah, you know, we have been driven by performance for over 12 years with Summit alone. I mean, that is where our heritage lies. So if you are looking for performance, we have over a decade in the making. And if you are not just looking for performance, but you know, you have your performance car, but you also have your wife or your kid's car that they drive and it's just a regular car, you're buying a superior product than just replacement. And that way you're always upgrading when you go with us.
Eric, I can't thank you enough for your time today. As Eric said earlier, you can find all of these products and more from Powerstop at summitracing.com. Eric, thank you very much for dealing with the unusual situation that we're in. Thank you so much for being here, for sharing your time and your knowledge.
Absolutely, Matt. Thank you so much for having us. We're happy to be here.